Hi all, welcome to the new episode of Tech Insert.
We are going to make a powerful and efficient anti-theft alarm which is going to secure your room doors, house entry doors, car shed, wardrobe, etc. Please watch the video completely because we are making one circuit, then while testing we find one problem on it, then we are fixing it and you study the property of that fix. That is very interesting one. Both circuit I have given in this video, and finally to that circuit we are adding one more thing to make it yet another professional circuit which can be used anywhere. The advantage of this circuit is it is very cheap and easy to assemble. Even you can assemble everything in a dot common board. I am also showing you how this should be implemented indoors. Let us continue the assembling. If you like this video, please do not forget to click the like button and also share this video among your friends. This is laser pen and this is very cheap. You can make use of laser LED also. This I bought from the nearby fancy store. Yeah, fancy store. Actually laser generates coherent monochromatic with a different wavelength, both invisible and visible region. This light will travel very high distance, that is more than 5 km. You can see the laser light, right? The distance is around more than 17 meter in length. The diameter of the laser light is 1 to 2 mm only. But you can see higher diameter through camera. That is because when it touches the wall, the surrounding area will also be bright. When you look into close, then it will be having 1 to 2 mm diameter only. We are using this laser as our light generator. Without the use of lens, you can simply direct the laser light to the LDR. Now let's test it. The circuit is not useful because whenever we block the laser it sounds, but when it resumes the sound will also stop. But we need to continue the sound for some more time, then only the circuit will be useful. We will modify the circuit and add two more components so that the sound will continue for some more time. We will add a capacitor in series with a resistor so that the charge will be used for driving the sound. I will show you the circuit with the changes you need to do for working this thing perfectly. The green marked components are the modified circuit diagram. The 2.2K resistor can be replaced up to 10K. Then the sounding time will increase, or increase in the capacitor value will also increase the sounding time. The working principle is simple. When the laser disconnects, then the capacitor will be charged through the collector of PNP transistor BC557, and when laser resumes, the capacitor will be discharged through the 2.2K resistor, and thus the BC547 transistor will continue to be in on state until the capacitor discharges completely. If you want to start sound once a blockage to laser detects and will continue until you reset the alarm, then for that you should use a bistable multivibrator along with this circuit. In my previous videos I have used the same bistable multivibrator, and I will add the link of the videos in the description so that those who haven't watched can understand the working of bistable multivibrator. This is the way we are implementing the anti-theft alarm in the door. You don't require big mirrors because the laser diameter is 1 to 2 mm only. So minimum 3 mm mirror can be used for this purpose. I have shown 4 level or lines of laser protection. If you are using 10 lines, then literally no one can pass through the door without sounding the alarm. Or you should do something similar in Mission Impossible movies. If you believe this video is useful to you, then please click like button and also subscribe to my channel.
This is Tech Insert signing off. See you in another video. Till then, goodbye and please take care.